But what is the plan for House Democrats if you guys take back the majority next year? I mean, we know when Republicans took the majority a few years ago, James Comer, Jim Jordan, they came in, they had the committee on the weaponization of government. They staffed up. They hired tons of investigators. They brought in as many lawyers as possible. What are the committee's plans exactly next year when you do have the power of the subpoena?
Well, I mean, I don't want to get ahead of ourselves in terms of specifying, like,
he said he wasn't going to tell us to the spring.
Our top 5 items are.
But no, still going to ask you every time you come on.
No, it is very much within our agenda to restore the rule of law and to try to fight for a